Alright, what's up everybody? It's Saturday and I'm about to go out and deliver. I'm using DoorDash right now and I just got a Chinese food delivery for Golden Wok. I'm also trying out this new delivery app. Sorry, I shouldn't say delivery app. A Dasher app. It's called Dash Utility. So I'm going to give that a shot. It's supposed to auto accept certain orders in a certain dollar range, and people are saying they're making more money, so I'm going to try that out and let you know how it goes, and then if it actually works I'll do an in-depth tutorial on it. So it's 4:43 and I just got the food. I did have to wait a few minutes, but it's alright, it happens. I only have a 3-mile drop off, so that's not bad at all. It's 4:58. I just dropped off that order and I was right next to another order, literally 2 minutes away from Little Natty's. The pay isn't as high because I'm so close, but I'm gonna grab it, and so far off to a good start, so let's hope it stays busy. It's 5:25 and I just got back to Golden Wok. Things are busy tonight. We're making that money. I'm loving it. The app is pretty cool. It actually, when I get an order, it makes like a little noise if it's above my what I set my payout to be, my desired pay. So that's pretty cool. What it does is essentially you input a pay that you want for overall order, and you could do like if it's a red card or prepaid, you don't have to do any of that, and you could set your minimum per mile that you want as well. So that's pretty sweet. I think I like it, but there's no way you could use it when you're multi-apping unless it's super slow, or you just turn the automatic accept off. I'm gonna go grab this food because it's busy and I don't want to miss any money. It's 5:55 and I just got to Pita Pit, so things are still super busy. 4 orders. Well, I'm picking up my 4th order in an hour and a half. The frustrating thing about that last order was the apartments I went to, there's no map, so I couldn't find their building. I tried calling them, they hit ignore, so it took longer than it should have. It should have been really easy, but I couldn't find which building they were in, so that's kind of tough. That's the big downside to delivering to apartments, is sometimes it takes longer if you can't find where you have to drop off the food. It's now 6:17 and I just got to noodle time. It literally took me 3 minutes to get here, so obviously as close to my last drop off. I'm gonna swipe that I'm here, go grab the food, and stay busy. So it's 6:34 and it was kind of a long wait for the food, but I just got a stacked order while I was waiting, so I'm going to Sbarro Pizza to pick that up, and then I'll go make the drop-offs. Alright, so I'm about to do a Wendy's order. The instructions say, Dashers must use drive-thru to place and pick up orders. Please have your hot bag ready to go. Interesting. The last time I came here, it actually said to go inside unless dining room hours were closed.
Hi, thank you for choosing Wendy's. Home with a Frosty. How can I help you tonight?
Hi, can I have, I'm going to do 2 number 13s, the Asiago Ranch Club combo.
Okay, so 2 homestyle Asiago sandwiches? Combos?
Yep.
Okay, and what's the drink to go with those?
The first one's Dr. Pepper, and then the second one is a sweet tea.
Is with what? I'm sorry.
A sweetened iced tea.
Okay, so that'll be out of our Fuse machine and our freestyle. Would that be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, give me 1 second to find my button here.
Okay.
And what else can I do for you today?
That's all I had, but I do have a question. Are you able to make those spicy, the sandwiches?
I can. I just need 1 second. I'll have to fix that.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem.
All right, and that's all I had were those
Alright, just
two.
give me 1 second. I'm still trying to
Oh yeah, no, you're good.
Basically, 2005 at the first window for you.
Oh, sorry, those were mediums.
Oh, medium? Okay, I'll fix that.
I'm sorry.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
So was there anything else I can do for you today?
No, just that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on. Alright, so the total for you today is going to come out to $22.78 at your first window.
Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are at Dairy Queen, y'all. It is super busy. It's 7:50. I'm going to go ahead and swipe that I arrived at Dairy Queen and go grab this food. It just lets me know do not pick up from the drive-thru. Okay, cool. No worries there. Just got to Five Guys. We got that free Dr. Pepper from Dairy Queen. Thank you for the hookup. It's 10 after 8 and things are just super busy. I can't wait to see what my earnings are for tonight. I don't know, it's been nonstop, so I'm really glad I got this shift. It's 8:30. We dropped off that Five Guys order, and now I have one for Applebee's. Things are super busy tonight. It's the best night I've had in a long time, and I'm so glad I was able to pick up the shift. DoorDash, I've been seeing a lot more on the schedule lately. I did complain saying, I gave it a 0 rating, saying I would not recommend because I could never get anything about a week ago. And now I see all these shifts available. So I'm super pumped about it. Things have been good. I hope to end this night on a high note. If it gets slow, I will turn on Postmates. But I don't think I'm going to need to. What's up, everybody? It's now 9:58 and I just got home. It was busy. I ended up doing a taco truck order for my last order. I dropped it off around 9:15 and then I waited for like a half hour and I couldn't get any more orders. It just died out of nowhere. And I'm upset that it died for one reason, and that's because I hit 99.75 tonight. I really wanted to break 100 on DoorDash. That would have been cool, but not yet. It's definitely my highest paying DoorDash night ever, but hopefully one of these days I'll break 100. And then I'm going to show you that Dash utility app really fast. Shows out I was online for 5 hours, 24 minutes. Total earnings, $99.75, so it matches hourly average, $19.04. So not too bad. Much better than what I've had lately. I'll gladly take that. I don't know why it says missed/rejected there, because I only had 11 orders offered to me. So that's kind of strange. Maybe there's just a glitch. I don't know. It's a newer app. Per hour average is 2.1, so right around 2 orders an hour. That's kind of what I figured. And time spent on delivery is 4 hours and 32 minutes. So that's kind of cool to see all that detail. If you hit request, you could see like all my deliveries. The ones with the check marks are above, like they're auto accepted, they're above a certain pay. And then the other ones came up. I accepted everything tonight, but those ones I had to manually accept because they were lower than what I put in my preferences. Tomorrow I do have another 12-hour shift scheduled with DoorDash, so I don't know if I'll work the whole thing, but we'll see how it goes. It depends if it's busy or not. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.